There are tons of trading strategies out there. And if you really want to win anything in this annoying stock market, you probably want to use them all. And that's where this software, it's actually a Chrome extension, where it comes to your rescue. This Chrome extension gives you up to 10 strategies which you can use at the same time. You can simply select them from the list, select all, select 5, and then click analyze. Then it will look at the graph that's on your screen. It doesn't matter which platform you're on. Then it will analyze them using each and every one of those trading strategies. And then it will consolidate the results and tell you what it thinks you should do. So for example, right now for this specific coin, today it recommends with quite high confidence that I should do a long order in this kind of order. It's a limit order, which means I should enter only when the price reaches 0.3050. And then I should do a stop loss here and a take profit here. And it actually explains why it's reached this conclusion based off all of the 10 different trading strategies. So if you look over here at the explanation, the overwhelming consensus from all 10 analyzed strategies, Wyckoff, Elliott wave, support and resistance, Fabioni, and all of the other ones, volume profit analysis, points to a strong long signal for MYX USD. This broad agreement highlights the robust bullish sentiment across various analytical frameworks. So what we're seeing here is that this AI is saying that you should definitely place a long order. If you want access to this specific Chrome extension, which is called Trade, T-R-A-I-D, if you know what I mean, they've switched the A with AI, T-R-A-I-D. And then you can add it to Chrome from the web store. It's going to be probably available in the next couple of days. You could actually get your hands on this, and then you could start choosing, the different methods that you prefer, and have AI analyze the graph for you. So even if you don't understand all these methods, it doesn't matter anymore, because you can just have AI just check them for you. If you're actually going to invest in the stock market, it doesn't matter what coin or what asset. If you're actually going to spend real money in the stock market, you may as well use this. So remember, this is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying, if already you're going to take a risk, then you can definitely do that. If you want to copy all the signals, click on copy all signals, and then you can have a quick look over here. When you paste it somewhere, you can see each method, why it chose what it chose. See, the confidence score for the Wyckoff method was 3 stars. The Elliott wave theory was 4 stars. The support and resistance was 4 stars. So everyone seems to be saying that the price overall is going to go up if you wait this out. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.